Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day everybody. Thank you for watching our presentation. Let me introduce myself and partners. I am Nabilah Nurrahmad.
Hi, I am Natasya Alvianti.
Hello, I am Nina.
I am Niekko Sanjaya.
We are from group 10. The purpose of our presentation is to inform you about incomplete independent clause. Okay, the first part will be presented by myself. The second part will be presented by Natasya. The third part will be presented by Nina. And the last part will be presented by Niekko. Hi everyone! In this part, I'm going to introduce about clauses. Okay, let's talk about clauses. All sentences consist of one or more clauses. For a simple sentence consists of one clause. For example, people need vitamins. People as a subject, need as a verb, and vitamin as an object. A compound sentence consists of two independent clauses joined by a coordinating conjunction. For example, the man took a vitamin pill and he drank a glass of orange juice. We know that in the sentence have two clauses. The first clause is the man took a vitamin pill, and the second clause is he drank a glass of orange juice, and is a conjunction. The another example conjunction is but. A complex sentence consists of independent clause called the main clause and dependent clause or subordinate clause. Subordinate clause may be adverb clause, noun clause, adjective clause. For example, the man took a vitamin pill because he had a cold. In the sentence, the man took a vitamin pill is independent clause, and because he had a cold as a adverb clause. Okay, I think enough about clauses, and let's move on the next part.
Okay, I will explain about subject, verb, object, and complement. All clauses have a subject and a verb. Clauses with an action verb often take a direct object as well. For example, he eats noodle. He as a subject, eats as a verb, noodles as an object. The verb missing from independent clause may be single word verb. For example, knit, was, stool, had, walked. A verb phrase consisting of one or more auxiliary verb and a main verb. For example, will need, has been, should take, would have had, and had walked. The verb can be active and can be passive. In active, eat, drink, and walk. In passive, was eaten, is drunk. The missing subject and direct object may be a noun. For example, people, vitamin, and Tom. And a noun phrase, for example, some famous people, vitamin pill, and my friend's Tom. Or a pronoun. Subject pronoun, for example, he, she, it, and they. And for object pronoun, for example, him, her, it, and them. After the verb to be and certain other non-action verb, a subject complement is used rather than a direct object. For example, chocolate makes Niekko happy. Niekko as a direct object, happy as a subject complement. For sample question, number 1, the art of storytelling blank 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 almost as old as humanity. A. That is. B. Is. C. It is. D. Being. The answer is B. Number 2, blank blank blank. A few of the sounds produced by insects can be heard by humans. A. Only. B. There are only. C. That only. D. With only. The answer is A. Only. Number 3, blank blank blank. When lava cools very rapidly. A. Because pumice is formed. B. To form pumice. C. Pumice is formed. D. Forming pumice. The answer is C. Number 4, Duke Ellington wrote blank 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 during his career. A. That over 1,000 songs. B. Over 1,000 songs. C. Over 1,000 songs were. D. There were over 1,000 songs. The answer is B. Over 1,000 songs. Number 5. Before the invention of the printing press, books blank blank blank. A. That were very rare. B. Were very rarely. C. Were very rare. D. As very rare. The answer is C. Thank you and move to the next part.
Hello everyone. I will present text about clause there and it. Some clauses begin with introductory words there or it rather than that with the subject of the sentence. For a sentence structure, there and it usually followed by to be. To be can use is, am, are, was, were, depending on whether you want to better mind the past tense or present tense. If the past tense use was or were, and if present tense use am or are. For example sentence. There are many skyscrapers in the New York City. Is a plural noun, so you use to be are. The second, there is a famous statue in that Island. A famous statue in singular noun, so you use is to be. The third, there was a boy offering the ticket. Right there, a boy is singular noun. The use was, why was, because the context of the sentence is past tense. Next example of sentence content it are expletive. It's a city that is located in central Java. Right there, the city is singular noun, so you use is as to be. Second, it was in 1959 that Alaska became a state. Right there, you use type press, so you use was. Why was? Because it has past tense. Next, it is so cold here. Right there, so cold is adjective. So, you use is as to be. For the notes or words, remember in using there or it as expletive is a to be with is depending on the words that follows it. So we have to noun what follow to be. That we can that determine what to be to you use. So much from me. Thanks.
I will present the last part in this presentation. Question number 1. Crop rotation blank 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 of preserving soil fertility. A. It is one method. B. One method. C. A method is one. D. Is one method. If we look a question, we know the missing part in the sentence, it is a verb. And we can eliminate it choice B because if we choose B, that make the sentence not have a verb. The sentence need subject plus verb and plus object. In option A, we have a verb but have two subject. We cannot have two or more subject in the sentence, and then the option A is wrong answer. In option C, we have a verb but have two subject. This is same as with option A, so this is the wrong answer too. In option D, this is the best answer because in this sentence have one subject, verb and object. Okay, the question number 2. The insect blah 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 bit my brother arm last night. A. A big spider with hairy legs. B. It is a big spider with hairy legs. C. A big spider with hairy legs. D. Which is a big hairy-legged spider. If we look the question, the part of the sentence we need a positive. In option A, in the sentence have to subject, so this is wrong answer. In option B, same as with option A, there are two subject in the sentence, so this is the wrong answer too. In option C, that right, but it was wrong answer because there are have to subject again. In option D, this is the right answer because option D we have all term for a coherent sentence. Okay, the next question. This is the place blank 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 the Dutch imprisoned Pangeran Diponegoro. A. On which. B. What. C. Where. And D. Dead. In the question we know the question use a noun clause because the sentence one explain a place, so we can choose the option C. Okay, the question number 4. It is known blank 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 solar energy can be used to be generate electricity. A. Weather. B. That. C. In case. And D. What. From the question we know we need to connect direct speech using impersonal id, so the answer is B.
From our presentation, we can conclude that independent clause is clause that can stand by itself as simple sentence. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.